It's really proud to be a very first licensed organization in the country as Purushottam Kanji Exchange. The starting or the history of Purushottam Kanji Exchange is during 1920s, the Kanji family has migrated from India to Oman, and they have started the trading of rice, edible oil, garments, clothes, etc. during 1920s. It's really happy to say that Purushottam Kanji is existing in the country for last 100 years. We are having a tradition of last 100 years, and as an exchange company, we are in the market for last 40 years. During 1920s, Mr. Purushottam Kanji and his father has migrated from India to Oman, and they have started the tradings of rice, edible oil and other kind of trading works. And during 1980s, when the central bank has started regulations on exchange companies, we have been licensed to have the first money exchange in Oman. During those time, our major business was remittances to India, foreign exchange, and also we were trading with the gold and silver coins and bars. Purushottam Kanji Exchange is the first importer of gold as well as the foreign currency in Oman, and we are able to sell the gold at very international price. In addition to that, we are able to sell from 1 gram to until 1 kg gold bars as well as the silver bars.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أنا مواطن خالد البلوشي، أعمل في شركة بروشتم كانجي للصرافة. 14 سنة أشتغل منصب مدير شؤون الموظفين، وشركة بروشتم كانجي صرافة الأول شركة في الصرافة في سلطنة عمان، يكمل 100 سنة تقريبا.
We are the first Western Union authorized agent in Oman. We are the one who has brought Western Union to Oman market, and by product wise, we have banking arrangements to almost all the countries. In addition to that, we are the main agents for much of the money service providers by contributing transactions to different corridors. In addition, we offer foreign currencies as well as the gold bullions. We are having around 130 employees with 20 branches across Oman. The latest product which we have introduced is online product. In addition to that, we are able to send money across the globe either in dollars, euro or in pound currencies. In the history of Purushottam Kanji Exchange, we have successfully contributed the development of Oman by contributing, even bringing the digital evolution to the country. We were having one of the first computers brought to Oman, and in addition to that, we have given developments in the industry by operating more banking arrangements as well as providing very valid or very successful customer services during all these years. In 2018, there is a major change happened in Purushottam Kanji's history. The company has been sold to two investment companies in Oman, which has been taken over in the month of April 2018. The mission and vision of the directors has changed the company's face from a traditional business of exchange company to mostly focusing on the digital as well as exploring the new technologies and innovations. As a part of that, we are able to launch online application within a very short span of a time during the corona time. In addition, we are able to come up with the new products which has been extended the services to sending dollars, euro, pound across the globe. Any company's success comes from its employees and from its customers. As Purushottam Kanji Exchange, we have very dedicated resources which includes Omanis as well as expats. The dedication and hard works gives us this level of achievements. In addition to that, our customers, the continuous contributions and support during all these 40 years made us to reach at this level.
بشرفني أن أتقدم بالصالح والنفسي وعن زملائي شركة بالتعنية الخالصة إلى مقام سامي مولاي حضرة صاحب جلال سلطان هيثم بن طارق حفظه الله ورعاه إلى الشعب العماني بمناسبة عيد الوطني 50 والمجيد والشكرا.
On the occasion of National Day, I congratulate His Majesty, the government and the people of the Oman for the successful 50 glorious years. In this occasion, we would like to remember the contributions made by the late His Majesty Sultan Qaboos bin Said for the development of our country. We would like to congratulate and thank each and every customers who is keep contributing for the success of Purushottam Kanji Exchange during last 42 years. Thank you.
For more updates, log on to thearabianstories.com, where news comes first.